So I just realized in the last 2.5 years, I realized that my sales team have sold over $14 million of life insurance, and the proof is right here. And I'm gonna share with you in 4 minutes the 5 things that you need to have in your sales script to sell thousands and thousands of dollars and to sell life insurance like a maniac. The first thing that you need to have in your winning final expense or life insurance sales script is you need a great intro. And you need to be clear about your intro. So, hey, Miss Betty, this is Peter. I'm calling because you sent a request in on the internet, and I'm seeing here you listed your daughter as as a beneficiary. Is that right? You need to be clear, and you need to let them know in the first 30 to 60 seconds why in the world you're calling. The second thing that you need to help them understand is how you're going to do your job to help them, to bring them value, and the medical section. That's number 2. So how you work with the medical section. Okay, so what that's going to sound like is, hey, Miss Betty, we work with over 20 companies, or I work with this company. I'm going to shop the market, and I'm going to find you the lowest price and the best price for all your final expense needs, and there's no blood work or needles required. And through that, in order to do that, Miss Betty, I have to ask some medical questions. Any heart attacks, strokes, cancers, any diabetes, any elevated sugars, any COPD, lung disease, any asthma inhalers, neuropathy, what's going on, so I can find you the best plan. Now, the third thing that you need, and one of the most important parts, is your discovery, the emotional discovery. You have to get people emotional or they won't buy life insurance. Let me explain what the emotional discovery is. There's 3 questions that you need in your discovery. Number 1 is, what is the goal of the life insurance? You have to clearly identify why you're even speaking to this person. I want to cover my burial expenses. Number 2, part of that discovery is you need to understand why they're looking for it and what the consequences if they don't make this decision. Pain. Okay, so Miss Betty, if you don't get this coverage in place, who would it be that'd be stuck with your burial expenses? And get them to explain why they need it and what happens if they don't get it. The third part of the discovery is understanding why in the world have they not moved forward yet, which is, Miss Betty, have you been looking around for something like this for a while now, or is it something that you realize you kind of need? She's going to tell you that she's been shopping, and she's been shopping. Your goal as the agent is to understand what the variable is she's not moved forward because of this and try to solve for that. So we have the discovery all knocked out. The fourth part of this is that you understand the pitch and the close. This is where you have to understand the product and let them know, hey, Miss Betty, what we're gonna be looking at is this company, and you gotta sell your heart out. It's with the company called Mutual Omaha. It's the only company, the best company for you, and most importantly, it's a product that's not gonna go up, it's not gonna go down in price, and it's gonna be there for the rest of your life. And now I have 3 options that they're gonna give you, the 3-option close. The first option, the starter option, it's gonna do this for $12 a month. I don't know. The middle option is the most common option. It's going to do this and Y and Z. It's going to give you the peace of mind, and it's $61 per month. Or the most expensive, which is a price anchor. They're not going to pick this third option. Is $180 per month. Which one do you want to go with? Miss Betty will then say, I would like to go with this option. Let's go with the middle option for the $10,000 per month. And the last way that you have to have in your script to remove all objections, all chargebacks, and to actually start selling good business is you need a great wrap up. At the end of the phone call, when Miss Betty has gotten approved, you're gonna say, Miss Betty, I need you to grab a pen and paper. You got approved for this company. This is my number. This is how much coverage you got. And can you guarantee before I hang up the phone, before I hang this up, do you promise me that that $61.67 is going to be in your bank account by the end of the day, by the end of before your policy goes into effect? Once they say yes, you say, welcome to the family. We love you. Have a great day. And that is the winning script. If you use, you will sell thousands of dollars of life insurance and absolutely crush as a life insurance agent. I did it in 4 minutes, guys. Like this video if you want more. Take care. Cheers.